Key elements to include in your building control plans. Provide a detailed site plan showing the location of the building and its surroundings, including access points, boundaries, and neighboring structures. Include detailed floor plans for each level of the building, showing the layout of rooms, corridors, staircases, and other key features. Provide elevation drawings showing the external appearance of the building from all sides, including materials, finishes, and architectural details. Include cross-section drawings to show the internal structure of the building, including wall thickness, floor-to-ceiling heights, and roof details. Include structural drawings and calculations to demonstrate the stability and integrity of the building, including foundations, beams, columns, and connections. Outline fire safety measures such as escape routes, fire-resistant materials, smoke alarms, and fire suppression systems. Include plans for building services such as heating, ventilation, plumbing, and electrical systems, showing their layout and connections. Need help? Contact our experts today.